family or not. So I will speak in favor of go with trip with family. So my first point is we should go with our family because of if we will go with our family, so we are not worried about anything, and this is also good for the children.
But if we go alone in any trip, then we can experience everything and collect the knowledge about the nature, which is beneficial for us.
Yes, you may be right here, but according to me, if you are go with your family, so your parents will treat you. How can you talk with elders and many strange people? So I think we should go with our family.
But when we have a lot of stress, then for losing our stress, we can go to trip and lose our stress and get a lot of happiness through the nature, which is good for our life, and happiness makes a person very good and very healthy.
But I am agree with you. But in that case, the good every student go to trip with their family, because in the family we can get we can enjoy more comparison than the other like friends and the other pupils. To my mind, the go to trip with family is good for the children's thoughts, because they think a lot of and they get the knowledge by the trip with family. This to my mind, the trip with the family is good.
It is my firm belief that the children should not go to trip with parents, because children has unlimited freedom with parents. That's why they should not go to trip with parents.
No, it's not like that. If you go with alone and other, if you go with your friends, your father worried about which situation in which you situation you are, and in that case they disturb our parents disturb you to enjoy time, and you will angry because of disturbance in your trip. And in that case, that if you go with the family, no any disturbance, and no one will worried about which situation you are.
I don't agree with you, because when children go to trip, then they are not alone, because many others stayed children with them. That's why they should go to trip with alone.
If you go with family, if you go to trip with family, if you want to go to trip too far from your city, and you can go with your family, because long trip is a good with family is a good for the children, because they are not as much as sensible that they should. And in that case, every student should go to trip with their family.
I think children should go to trip with friends, so that they can share your problem by which they are suffering from that.
According to me, if you are going, if you will go with your parents, then the parents treat you like a friend, and I think no any friend as much as good as that parent. So you can also share your problem with your parents, and they try to solve your problem.
I think children has such type problem which cannot share with parents. That's why children should go to trip with your friend.
No, it's not like that. You have mentioned that we cannot share our problem with their friends, their father and mother. Which situation is not we cannot share our parents, and if we will share our problems with our parents, and they suggest us good advice to do to solution about that problem, and you can survive with good ways. But in the friends, they suggest you do the bad work. But in that case, the father and trip with family is good.
It's my firm belief that going with friends on the trips creates laughter and fun. So that's why I want to say that the children should go to when it comes to the trips, the children should go to the with friends.
I think when any student go to with the friends, then they are the
there are many cases where the disaster also come on the place. The friends save our life first, not you. But when we go to with parents, then parents thought about you first, not for you, not himself. That's why parents is more thinking about you and save you first.
But there are many problems come in our life when our parents does not stand with us. Then we have to depend on ourselves, and then if you go to trip alone, then you get to learn life management of money and not to lose anywhere, and then you will become a responsible person for yourself, and you can go anywhere without anyone's need.
First of all, I think when children go to trip for the enjoying and fresh mind, but when the student go to when the children go to alone, then they have worried about the management of food. They have worried about the how to travel. There are many ways where the children have to face many problems. But when the student go to with parents, then all about this management by the parents, not the student. Then student travel in mind.
It is seen that whenever any children goes to on trips, they make a already future plan with their friends. That's why there is no shortage in the money and foods. That's why the children doesn't have to face these type of problems.
If you go trip with your friends, in that case they force you to do the bad work, like they force you to the drink and to the take the drugs, and these things are very harmful for you, and they suggest you do the bad work like murder case, and if you trap any problems, and they give you solution to remove that problem, the bad solution, and in that case this is not good for the financial for the students thinking.
Here we are talking about the teenager age, teenage. So that's why I think that in the teenage it's very rarely chance to do this type of mischievous act. Not talking about the younger age.
You are wrong here, because you are saying that this is the mischievous act. No, this is the very serious cases where becomes because of the taking drugs and the taking the drinks is bad for you.
I think it is your responsibility to not to take the drugs and not to drink the wine, because there are many places when you are forced to do this work. But if you know that work is harmful for our life, then it is your responsibility to not to do that work. And if anyone forced me to do that work, and if I did not felt like doing the work, then I will not do.
Friends treat you like that. This is a good work, and they do the work in the mistakes, and they say that this is not as much as big problems that you are thinking, and in that case they force you to do the bad work.
It is the modern time. Everybody knows that what is wrong and what is right. Then if they know that drinking wine is harmful for their health, so they don't. It is the responsibility of the children to not to drink the wine.
Yes, I am agree with you. And in UP, the popular crime is kidnapping. If you will go anywhere alone, so there are many chances of kidnapping. We should go with our parents.
It's nothing like that, because every place police is also available. That's why if you are think the thieves is surround me, then you can call police and you can save there.
I think as you don't have as much time as they kidnap you. So I think in this case you should go with our parents, and we should not take any tension in any cases.
Given the situation, it is seen that the government provide you everywhere security, whether it's a railway station and on the normal roads, you will get the security. That is why it doesn't happen, and it's a negligible chance.